Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Chaffles for Life, episode 20, Strawberry Cream Cheese Chaffles. For today's ingredients is you'll need one large egg, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese softened, a half a cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of almond flour, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder to taste, 2 tablespoons of strawberry cream cheese, the Philadelphia soft kind, and if you keep it down to a couple tablespoons, you should be fine on the carbs. So without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. Placing everything to a bowl. Once we get everything into the bowl, we're going to mix everything up really well. We're going to get our 2 mini dashes going and sprinkle the mixture over the top with a spoon or a spatula, if I recall. And then we'll close the lid, and then 2.5 to 3 minutes later, we'll have a couple of Chaffles, and then we'll just top it off with the strawberry cream cheese and come back and talk about it. So let's just continue on with the video. Okay, we are back. So that's the Philadelphia cream cheese I was talking about on the strawberry, and that was the first time I ever had this. By the way, I had the pineapple before. Now the pineapple has carbs in it, and not really supposed to have that on keto. But if you keep it down to a minimum amount and you have enough carbs at the end of the day, I think it's okay to have it once in a while for a treat. Again, please don't judge what I eat because I've been very, very successful losing weight. I've taken off more than 150 pounds in a 3-year period and managed to maintain most of the weight loss. And there you have our final product. And this was really, really good. I ended up making a couple more of these, by the way. And I had it with a little bit of pineapple in the next video. And we'll talk about that in the next video with a different recipe, but basically the same, but just different ingredients as amount. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video in the Chaffle series. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You know the Rudy too. Have an amazing day. Love you guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy.